Life is like riding a bicycle. To keep your balance, you must keep moving. Learn from yesterday, live for today, hope for tomorrow. The important thing is not to stop questioning. At least once a day, allow yourself the freedom to think and dream for yourself. If you want to live a happy life, tie it to goals, not to people. Great spirits have always encountered violent opposition from mediocre minds. Insanity is doing the same thing over and over again and expecting different results. I never think of the future. It comes soon enough. I believe that a simple and unassuming life is good for everybody physically and mentally. Reality is merely an illusion, albeit a very persistent one. There are only two ways to live your life. One is as though nothing is a miracle. The other is as though everything is a miracle. A person experiences life as something separated from the rest, a kind of optical delusion of consciousness. Our task must be to free ourselves from this self-imposed prison, and through compassion to find the reality of oneness. Be a loner. That gives you time to wonder, to search for the truth. Have holy curiosity. Make your life worth living. Never give up on what you really want to do. The person with big dreams is more powerful than the one with all the facts. The true sign of intelligence is not knowledge, but imagination. Everything is energy, and that's all there is to it. Match the frequency of the reality you want, and you cannot help but get that reality. It can be no other way. This is not philosophy. This is physics. The most beautiful thing we can experience is the mysterious. I think 99 times and find nothing. I stop thinking, swim in silence, and the truth comes to me. Look deep into nature, and then you'll understand everything better. Imagination is more important than knowledge. We cannot solve our problems with the same thinking we used when we created them. Don't listen to the person who has the answer. Listen to the person who has the question. People who fail to regard the truth seriously in small matters cannot be trusted in matters that are great. You never fail until you stop trying. Death is a reality. Life ends definitely when the subject by his actions no longer affects his environment. He can no longer add an iota to the sum total of his experience. Stay away from negative people. They have a problem for every solution. To raise new questions, new possibilities, to regard old problems from a new angle requires creative imagination and marks real advance in science. The important thing is not to stop questioning. Curiosity has its own reason for existing.